Imagine a world where inherited diseases are not a life sentence, but a solvable puzzle. Welcome to the breakthrough in gene editing. In this bold new era of medicine, we're seeing incredible advancements that are truly revolutionizing healthcare. One of the most exciting developments is the use of CRISPR, a gene editing tool to treat inherited blindness. In a groundbreaking clinical trial named Brilliance, led by Massachusetts Eye and Ear, CRISPR was used to treat 14 patients with inherited blindness caused by mutations in the CEP290 gene. The results were astonishing, to say the least. Out of the 14 patients, 11 experienced measurable improvements in vision. This success is a beacon of hope, not just for those with ocular diseases, but for anyone suffering from incurable conditions caused by genetic mutations. It's a testament to the potential of gene editing and a sign that we're on the brink of a new medical revolution. This is not science fiction, folks. We are living in a time where genetic disorders may become a thing of the past. Now you might wonder, what is this remarkable tool that's making waves in the medical world? It's called CRISPR. Imagine a pair of microscopic scissors, capable of snipping out faulty parts of our DNA and replacing them with healthy sequences. That's essentially what CRISPR is. Standing for clustered, regularly interspaced, short palindromic repeats. CRISPR is a gene editing tool that has revolutionized our approach to treating diseases at their genetic roots. Let's take a look at herpetic stromal keratitis, an eye disease caused by the herpes simplex virus. This condition can lead to vision impairment and, in severe cases, blindness. But with the help of CRISPR, scientists have been able to target and alter the specific genes responsible for these viral infections. The result? Improved vision and reduced inflammation in patients. It's like a tailored suit, but instead of fabric, we're cutting and stitching genes. But it's not just about eyes. From cancer to inherited disorders, CRISPR holds potential in treating a myriad of diseases. It's like being handed the keys to the human genome, unlocking a world of medical possibilities. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. There are still challenges to overcome. For one, we need to ensure the accuracy of CRISPR edits to avoid off-target effects. Then there's the issue of delivery. How do we make sure these gene editing tools reach the right place in our bodies? And let's not forget about the ethical considerations. Where do we draw the line when it comes to altering our genes? These are big questions, and the scientific community is actively working to address them. But one thing is clear: the potential benefits of CRISPR are truly staggering. It's a glimpse into a future where we could edit out diseases as easily as fixing a typo. And that, my friends, is nothing short of a miracle. Gene therapy isn't just about correcting errors, it's about unlocking our full potential. This is the promise of gene therapy, a rapidly advancing field of medicine that has the potential to revolutionize our approach to treating diseases. One of the key areas where gene therapy is showing immense promise is in the treatment of retinal disorders. The FDA approval of Luxturna, a gene therapy for inherited retinal dystrophy caused by RPE65 mutations, marked a landmark breakthrough in this field. Luxturna represents a one-time subretinal injection that aims to restore vision by reviving the retinoid process. This isn't just a treatment, it's a chance for patients to regain their sight, to see the world anew. But how does gene therapy work? At its core, gene therapy involves the introduction, removal, or change in genetic material within a patient's cells. The vehicles that deliver these changes are called vectors. Vectors can be viral, using a modified virus to carry the corrective genes into the cells, or non-viral, using methods such as the direct introduction of therapeutic DNA into the target cells. One of the most commonly used viral vectors is the adeno-associated viral, or AAV vector. Its popularity stems from its impressive safety profile and proven efficacy. AAV vectors are capable of delivering the therapeutic genes directly into the patient's cells, allowing the cells to produce the necessary proteins to combat the disease. But gene therapy promises more than just treatments. It holds the potential to cure diseases at their genetic root, to prevent them from occurring in the first place. Imagine a world where genetic disorders are a thing of the past, where we can treat diseases before they even show symptoms. Gene therapy is not just a treatment, it's a revolution in how we approach healthcare. It represents the dawn of a new era, one where we can harness our own genetic code to unlock our full potential. And that, my friends, is a promise worth pursuing. So, where do we go from here? What does the future hold for gene therapy and CRISPR? Well, let's journey forward and take a peek at what's on the horizon. Gene therapy is in its adolescence, but it's growing up fast. We've already seen it making waves in the field of ophthalmology with the FDA approval of Luxturna, a one-time subretinal injection for inherited retinal dystrophy. This revolutionary treatment aims to restore vision by fixing the retinoid process, and it's just the beginning. The CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing technology, on the other hand, is a promising youngster in the game. It's been showing potential in tackling herpetic stromal keratitis, a condition caused by the herpes simplex virus. By targeting specific genes responsible for the infection, CRISPR-Cas9 could offer a game-changing solution, although further research is required to perfect its delivery methods and address toxicity concerns. Now let's look further down the road. The potential applications of gene therapy and gene editing stretch far beyond the eye. These technologies could revolutionize how we treat a wide range of genetic diseases, from inherited disorders to certain types of cancer. We're talking about a future where medicine is tailor-made for our individual genetic makeup, a future where incurable doesn't exist in our vocabulary. But this future isn't without its challenges. As with any groundbreaking technology, there are ethical considerations to take into account. How do we ensure these therapies are accessible to everyone, not just the privileged few? How do we navigate the murky waters of genetic manipulation without crossing a line? Yet, despite these hurdles, the promise of gene therapy and CRISPR is undeniable. We're standing on the precipice of a new era in medicine, an era where we're not just treating symptoms, but addressing the root cause of diseases. The future of medicine is here, and it's more exciting than we could ever have imagined. We are standing at the precipice of a new era in medicine, and it's thanks to gene editing. And so, we close this fascinating journey through a groundbreaking scientific breakthrough. We've traversed the landscape of an innovative technique called CRISPR and its profound impact on medicine. We've seen how it's been used to tackle inherited blindness, and we've delved into its potential to revolutionize treatment plans for a range of retinal disorders. Remember the story of the Brilliance trial? 14 patients, previously resigned to a life of darkness, were given a new lease on life, their world illuminated by the power of gene editing. 11 of them experienced measurable vision improvements, a testament to the potential of this incredible technology. And let's not forget the promising research into treating herpetic stromal keratitis with CRISPR-Cas9. By targeting specific genes responsible for this HSV infection, we are potentially looking at a game-changer in biomedicine. Yes, there are still hurdles to overcome, such as toxicity concerns and optimizing delivery methods, but the potential is undeniably there. We've also discussed the FDA-approved Luxturna, a beacon of hope for those with inherited retinal dystrophy. This one-time subretinal injection, made possible through gene therapy, aims to restore the retinoid process and improve vision. The implications of these advancements are monumental. We're talking about not just improving lives, but fundamentally changing them. These are the first steps in a journey that could lead us to a future where incurable conditions are a thing of the past. But remember, as with all scientific breakthroughs, we must temper our excitement with caution. The road to widespread application of these therapies is long and filled with challenges. Yet, the promise they hold is too significant to ignore. The story of gene editing is just beginning. Stay tuned, share this knowledge, and remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting discoveries. Until next time, keep wondering, keep discovering, keep